Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll listen to a simple story about Tom and Emma watching a movie at a crowded theater. What would you say if someone was sitting in your seat? Let's get started.
Hey, Emma. Sorry I'm a bit late. The train was really crowded today.
No worries. I just got here too. I was looking at the movie posters while I was waiting.
Oh yeah? Did you find anything interesting?
Yeah, there are a few movies that look good. I'm actually a bit excited.
Nice. What kind of movies do you usually like?
I like stories that are emotional or a bit different. I enjoy movies that make me think.
That's interesting. I usually go for action movies because they're easy to watch and exciting. I don't have to think too much, and I can just relax.
Yeah, action movies are fun, but sometimes they feel a bit similar to me. I want something a little different today.
That makes sense. I don't usually try new types, but I'm open to it today.
Great. Let's check what's playing.
Okay, I see an action movie, a comedy, and a drama.
The action one looks exciting, but maybe a bit typical.
Yeah, and the comedy might be fun, but it could be too simple.
What about the drama? The story looks deeper, and the reviews seem good.
Okay, I'm willing to try it. It might be a good change for me.
Perfect. Let's go with that one.
Wow, it's really crowded here today.
Yeah, there are so many people. It must be a popular time.
Let's go inside before it gets even busier.
Yeah, good idea.
I'll get the tickets.
Okay, I'll get the drinks and popcorn.
Sounds good.
What do you want?
Maybe a popcorn and some iced tea.
Got it. I'll meet you inside after this.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like 2 tickets for this drama movie, please.
Sure. What time would you like?
The next showing, please. We just arrived.
Okay, that starts in about 15 minutes.
That's perfect. Do you have seats together?
Yes, I do. There are some seats available in the middle.
Oh, I see. Actually, do you have seats more in the middle or the back?
Let me check. Yes, there are some seats in the back available.
Great, the back sounds better for us. We'll take those.
Sure, no problem.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium popcorn and a drink, please?
Sure. What kind of drink would you like?
Do you have iced tea?
Yes, we do. Would you like a small or a large?
2 large iced teas, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Actually, can I get extra butter on the popcorn?
Yes, we can do that.
Great, thank you.
Anything else?
Oh, maybe a small chocolate as well. I can't decide between sweet and salty today.
Sure, we have chocolate or gummy candy.
I'll go with chocolate.
That will be $12.
Here you go. Thank you.
Hey, Emma. I got the tickets. The movie starts in about 15 minutes.
Perfect timing. Let's go in and find our seats.
It's pretty dark in here. Let me check the ticket again.
Yeah, it's a bit hard to see. Are these the right seats?
I think so, row F, seats 10 and 11.
but someone is sitting there.
Oh, you're right. Excuse me, I think these are our seats.
Oh, really? Let me check my ticket. Oh, I see. I'm in the wrong row. Sorry about that.
No problem.
It happens.
Okay, these should be ours now.
Yeah, this looks right. Let's sit down.
That was actually really good. I didn't expect to enjoy it that much.
Right? The story was really interesting, and it made me think.
Yeah, it was different from what I usually watch, but in a good way.
I'm glad we chose this one instead of the action movie.
Me too. It was a nice change for me.
Maybe we should try different kinds of movies more often.
Yeah, I think I'd like that. It was a good experience.
I'm happy you liked it.
Thanks for suggesting it.
Of course. I had a great time. Oh, wait. I just remembered something.
What is it?
This movie actually has a first part. It's a sequel. I saw the first movie a while ago.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. I usually don't watch this kind of movie, so I missed it.
That makes sense. But the first one is really good too. It helps you understand the story and the characters better.
That sounds interesting. I'd like to watch it. Maybe I'll understand today's movie even more.
Yeah, I think so. You should check it when you get home.
Yeah, I'll look for it on Netflix tonight.
Oh, and one more thing.
What?
This story is actually planned as a trilogy. There will be a third movie in the future.
Oh, that's great. I didn't know that either. Then I definitely want to see the next one.
Same here. Let's watch it together when it comes out.
Yeah, let's do that. That movie made me really hungry.
I know, right? The food looked amazing.
Especially that dish they were sharing.
Yeah, it looked so good.
What kind of food was that, anyway?
I think it was Spanish food.
Spanish food? I don't think I've tried that before.
Really? It's actually really good.
What do they usually have?
Things like tapas, seafood, and rice dishes.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, it's great for sharing too.
Then, do you want to try a Spanish restaurant?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
All right, let's go for it.
Nice. I'm excited.
I'll drive. It should be pretty close from here.
Thanks. Do you know a good place?
I saw one nearby before. It looked pretty popular.
That sounds promising.
Have you had Spanish food before?
Yeah, a few times. I really like it.
What do you like about it?
I like how you can try many small dishes.
Oh, so you don't just get one main dish?
Exactly. You can share and try different things.
That's nice. I usually just order one big meal.
Yeah, this will be a bit different for you.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Okay, I'll drop you off here.
Got it. I'll go in and get a table.
I'll find parking and be there soon.
Sounds good. See you in a bit.
Hello. How many people?
Hi, table for two, please.
Sure. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
That's okay. We have a table available.
Great, thank you.
Please follow me.
Sure.
Let me see. This machine doesn't seem to be working. I'll try again. No. Still nothing. Maybe this one over here works. No. This one isn't working either. That's strange. Oh, there's a number here. Maybe I should call.
Hello, parking support. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm trying to use the parking meter, but it's not working.
I see. Which location are you at?
I'm on Pine Street, near a restaurant.
Okay. Sometimes the machines don't accept cards. Do you have coins?
No, I only have my card.
In that case, you can use the mobile app.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, it's written on the side of the machine.
Let me check. Oh, I see it now. Okay, I'll try that.
Great. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you.
Tom is taking a bit longer than I expected. Maybe I should call him. Hey, where are you?
Hey, sorry. I'm having a little trouble with parking.
Oh, really? What happened?
The parking meter wasn't working.
That sounds annoying.
Yeah, I had to call support.
Did you figure it out?
Yeah, I just need to use an app.
Okay, no problem. I'm already at the table.
Great. I'll be there soon.
Do you want me to order first?
Yeah, that would be great. Just get something we can share.
Got it. See you soon.
See you.
Are you ready to order?
Not fully, but can I ask a few questions?
Of course.
What do you recommend?
Our tapas are very popular, especially the seafood dishes.
That sounds good. Are they good for sharing?
Yes, that's how most people enjoy them.
Perfect. Then I'll get a few tapas dishes. Maybe something with seafood and something simple.
Sure. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water for now, thank you.
Sorry I'm late.
No worries. I just ordered for us.
Thanks. Parking took longer than I expected,
Sounds like it.
but I figured it out in the end.
Good job.
So, what did you order?
I got a few tapas dishes.
Oh, nice. That sounds interesting.
Yeah, we can share everything.
I like that idea.
It's a good way to try different flavors.
That reminds me of the movie.
Yeah, they were sharing food too.
It looked really good on screen.
I know. That's why I wanted to try this.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too.
This is already a great experience.
And the food is coming soon.
Here are your tapas. This one is a seafood dish with garlic and olive oil. It's one of our most popular items.
Thank you. It smells really good.
And this one is made with potatoes and eggs. It's a traditional Spanish dish.
Oh, I've heard of that before.
In Spain, people often share many small dishes like this. It's part of their dining culture.
That's interesting. I like that idea.
We also have other traditional dishes if you'd like to try more. For example, we have paella, which is a Spanish rice dish with seafood. And we also have croquettes, which are small fried bites with a creamy filling.
Oh, that sounds really good.
Just let me know if you'd like anything else.
Excuse me.
Yes?
You mentioned paella earlier. Could you tell me a bit more about it?
Of course. It's a traditional Spanish rice dish with seafood. It has a rich flavor and is usually shared.
That sounds really nice. Is it too heavy?
It can be a bit filling, but it's perfect for sharing.
Okay, then I'd like to order the paella.
Sure. Anything else?
And I'd also like to try the croquettes.
No problem. I'll bring them soon.
Thank you.
Everything looks incredible. I can't wait to try it.
Me too. The presentation is so nice.
Which dish should we start with?
Let's begin with the seafood paella. I think it's the star of the table.
Good idea. And then we can share the croquettes.
Perfect. That way we can taste everything.
This reminds me of the scene in the movie where they shared all those small dishes.
Exactly. That's why I wanted to experience something like that in real life.
I like that we can try different flavors without committing to just one dish.
That's the fun of tapas, right? Small bites, lots of variety.
All right, let's dig in.
Yes, let's start.
Wow, the paella is really flavorful. I can taste the seafood in every bite.
I know. It's just like it looked on screen.
And these croquettes are perfect with the dipping sauce.
Absolutely. Sharing these makes it even more fun. Oh, by the way, speaking of Spanish dishes, I've always wanted to try a Spanish omelet.
A Spanish omelet? Sounds good. What's in it?
It's mostly potatoes and eggs, cooked like a thick pancake.
That sounds tasty. Maybe next time we can order it together.
Yes, definitely. I think it would be a perfect addition to our tapas experience.
I'm glad we came here. The movie and now this meal, what a great night.
Me too. It feels like a little culinary adventure after the film.
I love that we're trying different dishes and sharing them.
Yeah, and it's fun to relate them back to the movie.
Could we get the check, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, that's a bit more than I expected, but everything was amazing.
I'm glad to hear that. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Absolutely. We'll definitely come back.
We look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks again.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. Which part of the trilogy did Tom and Emma watch? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.